Hey y'all. Today is stressful because I'm trying not to film on my phone. Right now I'm filming on my phone. And it's because this fucking camera is pissing me off. Like, I got this Sony, I think Sony EV10, something like that. I don't even know. But it keeps saying that it can't read my memory card. So I'm trying to figure out the settings. Let me show y'all the camera. So this is the camera. I love it. It is so nice. And the main thing that I needed was the flip screen. And it needed to be small. And this is perfect because, like, this is my hand over it. Girl, don't mind my hand. It's ashy as hell. But I'm trying to get it to work so I can start filming on there.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to it. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap, baby. Shawty come sit on my lap, hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap, hey. I see some niggas attack, and don't let them get it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had, they gon' last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not play that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, I got her wig. She telling me Tay is the best.
Hey y'all, I forgot that I was supposed to be vlogging. So obviously this vlog is gonna be like all over the place. So right now we about to go to the movie, about to go see Black Panther. We still haven't seen it for some reason. We just be busy doing other stuff. And then after this, we gotta go take Mikey to the doctor. I can't remember if we're going to Opry Mills, and if you live in Nashville then you know what Opry Mills is. And I don't know if they have like food, but I'm so hungry. I don't want just popcorn. But yeah, we enjoyed Black Panther, and the movie theater people let us bring Subway in there.
I said not to say anything.
To who? Who we gonna say something to?
That's what they said.
You didn't tell me that.
That's what he said.
You didn't tell me that.
Put the cat out the bag now. And out in my man's.
Who cares? They need to have their kitchen open. Hopefully we make it, because Black Panther was so long. It was so good too, but it was so long that it's not our fault if we missed the damn appointment. Okay girl, so I just tried to take this to Once Upon a Time. I don't know if you know what that is, but it's like a store like where you can like sell your like old old baby stuff, or buy used baby stuff. And they just tried to give me $3 for this. Absolutely not. I'd rather just give it to somebody who's about to have a baby, because everybody's about to have a baby. So that's what I'm just gonna do, just give it to someone. We're about to go to Dollar Tree, get some Christmas decorations, just Christmas stuff in general. Because girl, I refuse. We change Christmas stuff literally every year. So I refuse to buy super expensive stuff. Me and my bestie, we're going to Dollar Tree. Mikey immediately grabbed this headband, so I guess we're getting it. And you see how he just snatched from me.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing till slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. might justify. Fuck or not, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she want mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy.
Colored crystals. Should we get the green ones too, Mikey? Look, in the green ones. Yeah. So we put them on some cupcakes. Should we get yellow cake or should we get vanilla cake? I don't know, but we definitely getting cream cheese icing because I don't like just the regular icing. I think we're gonna go with the yellow cake. Y'all, I'm trying to decide if we should get these stirring spoons. They melt away in your chocolate. They also have them in the peppermint, but I do not like peppermint. Like peppermint mocha, no. We're gonna do the chocolate. So I just got one of these. It's got 3 of these all hooked together, but I think I'm gonna separate them and put them on my tree. I think I'm gonna do the same thing with these ones. Girl, we in T-Mobile. Carmichael is getting his phone switched over. So I wanted to show y'all one last thing. This company sent me this wig and they asked me to do a review on it, and it better be good, because if it's not, it's a bad review. There's literally no name. I have no idea, but this is the packaging. It's 24 inches and it's literally just the wig. Okay, first impression. These are the ends, and that already scares me. Okay, but the knots are small, so that's good. Let me show you. Can y'all see that? Let me brighten this up. The knots are real small, so that makes me happy. Let's look at this lace. Honey. Okay. It's giving 13 by 4. It's not giving transparent or HD, but it definitely is giving parting space. So that's good. Not so much on the side, but you know, they've been really stingy with the side part. I mean, the side parting lately. I don't know what that's about, but it's pretty thick. I ain't gonna lie. This is a pretty thick wig. I'm pretty satisfied with the thickness. Now, how long it's gonna last, I don't know. But I gotta just dye this jet black because it's something about like the hair color, like when it first comes out of the packaging. See, yeah, like, I don't know, because look at the ends. I don't know about them ends. Y'all see this? Like, this is coming straight out of the package. We're going to see. I'm going to install it. I'm not going to put it in this video because I feel like that's going to be too much, and the upload is going to take forever. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all. This wig is pretty thick. I'm pretty satisfied with how thick it is. Like, I'm pretty satisfied with that. This has got to be like 180 density. And this was only $100 bucks. 24 inches for $100, and it's really thick. Like, I keep saying that because Amazon wigs, sorry, my son's crying, but Amazon wigs be so shice when it comes to how much hair they want to put in the but I'm liking it so far. I think this is a body wave. I'm gonna put the link so y'all can see it. I'm gonna put the link in the next video just in case because you know I don't want to show y'all a bad wig. But for $100, girl, is you playing? Yeah, it's pretty thick. Okay, I'm gonna go and put this video up so you know, I have an upload of this is Vlogmas day 3 through 6. No, it's like 3-ish, 4-ish through 6.